Yeah, this is a 2016 Dodge Challenger. What happened to this car is somebody already tried to break in. They molested the keyhole here a little bit. And from the other side, they pulled the windshield a little bit with one of those things you wedge in here, and then you can stick a rod and open the door. Basically, what the main thing in this car is a rim theft. This is what they really want from this car. Stealing rims and tires. So we went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way the customer doesn't have to carry another remote control, which I don't blame him. He wants everything, nice and clean. So if anybody tries to bust out the keyhole again, that will fire off the factory alarm. Any banging they do, I'm gonna go ahead and rearm it. Pretty much is bumper to bumper. Any banging they do around the vehicle, that will fire off the alarm. Gonna go ahead and set it one more time. We're based on in Miami. This is Autoline Specialist. The numbers are 305-298-4814. We're based on in Miami, Florida. So if you have one of these cars, pretty much you want to keep the rims and tires, give us a call and then we can add the shock sensor to it. We'll go ahead and show you guys here. Pretty much the alarm goes for 3.5 minutes, but I went ahead and shut it off right away. This is the shock sensor to the factory alarm in this Dodge. Thank you for watching this video.